So I built this vertical planter. I first built the box down below. Then I put in these 6-foot 2x4s in each corner, screwed them in. And then I put the 4-foot 2x4s on top, on both sides, you can see. And in between that, I put these little, I don't know, 1x2s across, where I will string the string that will go down all the way and hook into the plants down below. I didn't put the plants in yet. I put the screen underneath, and then I put cardboard on top. I put screen in the back, over the top, on the sides, and then and in the front, but the front is like a screen that's removable. I don't know if you can see, I have a dowel that's on a hook, and I can just lift it off the hook and lift it all down. I attached by staple gun, again, staple gun a lot around all this, a 2x4 on the bottom to hold it down. I have to sew the screen together because it's, only 2-foot wide screen. So I'm going to sew the screen together here. I sewed it in the back. On the sides, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll tack something, or I don't know, maybe some clip. If anybody has an idea, if you have an idea what we should do, let me know. But I might just put like a clip around the